Hello, my name is Erika.
And I'm Armando.
We have two children. Micaela is 13 and Román is 10. I attended a workshop at our kids' school, and I was so glad I was part of the workshop. That's how I met Vanessa. And I mentioned Armando about it. We decided we needed the help.
Yep.
So at that time, we were having a few challenges. Our older daughter, Micaela, she was changing a little bit. She was like 11 to 12 at the time. And she was always a great communicator, not really outgoing, but she was a really good communicator. But all of a sudden, just wanted to spend time in her room, isolating herself. And we noticed that right away. Then our 10-year-old, who is the opposite in personality, he was very energetic, but all of a sudden also he was very frustrated for like everything. So his personality also was changing. We decided that we needed the help, right? Because we noticed we kind of knew that we were entering on a new stage, but we just didn't have the tools to work with preteens anymore. We knew that something, it was going to get bigger and bigger. And I was so glad that I assisted the workshop and we could enroll in Vanessa's group. We just needed to make the commitment because it was another thing that we needed to work. We just needed to take responsibility. I mean, like as a parent, it's not enough to wish that things are going to change. It's just we need to be willing to do the job.
Our culture is like to correct, not connect.
Yes, that's
And
what.
that's
Well,
what I learned here, that connect before correct.
yeah.
And that's way different. It helps me a lot now
We
what
got
I
so
get.
used to just tell them what to do, and we got used to that they just obey. And then we realized that you know, it, when they grow, if we want them to be self-sufficient, uh, it needs to go back and forth. It needs to, even if we don't like what their answer is, with respect, we can, have difficult conversations, and we are raising independent human beings. That's our goal. This is our second year with the program. And I feel that our kids, they got it now. Being part with a parenting coaching group, it's not a secret. They know we're getting the tools. They are open to share. They're open to say, I object or I don't like this. But at least we have a two-way communication now. They know that we're trying. They know that we're not perfect because we messed up a lot of times. And and sometimes Micaela a few times is telling us, I don't think it's working. And we tell her, we're trying, but we're also learning. We're human beings and we are learning. And there's a teamwork now. It's not just us as parents getting frustrated.
They can be part of the learning process.
Yeah, there's a lot to learn too, but I think we're making a lot of progress. I think it's our responsibility as parents to do it because we are teaching the new generations. And if we want to see changes, we need to do it. It feels good. Most of the parents will have like a common denominator challenges. So I would recommend to parents to look for parenting coaching, to look for help. I'm glad that we're getting to know wonderful families too. Thank you, Vanessa.